Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru channel. Today we will discuss about source of funds on Revolut. If Revolut need additional information about your wealth or income, you will receive an email, a push notification, and see a banner on your in-app home screen. Revolut also let you know if this due date for submitting these details. Providing this information will ensure your account remains functional and helps combat financial crime. While you aren't obligated to provide these documents, Revolut restrict or close your account as per our TNKs if we do not receive them. Supported documents. Supported documents depend on your source of funds, investment income, sale of property, and etc. Your details. The name on the document must match the name on your Revolut account. Next, make sure you're providing accurate and up-to-date information about your income and wealth. Next, document upload. Upload your app to the latest version. Make sure all documents are clear and readable. Documents that are covered up or cut out of the frame won't be accepted, and upload the PDFs or photos or physical document. Screenshots aren't accepted. And that's it. If this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.